Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring your Outlook account is ready and reachable. Sign in on your Android's Outlook app or add the account under Settings Accounts. Once done, grant contacts permission when prompted so the app can write to your phone. Make sure Wi-Fi is active to avoid mobile data limits, and leave the phone connected to power for a full sync. These steps prevent partial imports and ensure Outlook can push contact changes to your Android continuously. Next, go into the Outlook app's account settings and switch on Contact Sync. This tells the app to share contacts with your Android contacts provider. If your account is Exchange or Office 365, choose the corporate or work account type and enter server details. That ensures two-way sync. Alternatively, when Push Sync isn't available, export contacts from Outlook on desktop as a CSV, then import that file into Google Contacts. Once in Google, they'll sync automatically to your Android device. To finish, open the Android Contacts app and confirm that Outlook contacts are present. Changes should appear both ways once sync completes. If you don't see them, force a sync from account settings by tapping Sync Now or toggling contacts off and back on. This refreshes the link. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the Outlook app cache or remove and re-add the account if syncing fails. Re-importing a previously exported CSV to Google Contacts is a reliable fallback that restores missing entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.